Hey y'all! It's Taco Tuesday! And more importantly, Cinco de Mayo! Okay, that's as much energy as I have today to introduce this to you. Before we get started, I have a special announcement. Please listen to this special announcement. Okay. I have decided that for the past couple weeks there was a lot of work and we have had internet issues. So this will be the last assignment I am posting for the rest of the week. That means that Wednesday, hump day, Tech Thursday, and Friday will be used as work days. That means I want you to use your time wisely to get any work that you're missing from me caught up on those 3 days. If you have been on top of your game and your internet hasn't been glitching, please tell me who your service provider is because I want them. But most importantly, thank you for keeping up. And if you're done with my class, then use your time to get caught up with other classes. Okay? I don't want you to be stressed out during this time, so take these 3 days that follow after today and get caught up. Okay, so that was my special announcement. Once again, this is the last posting I will do for the rest of the week. There will be no assignments for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Those are work days. Okay? If you're done with mine, then work on others. Please use that time wisely. Not to be chatting with each other, okay? All right, moving on. We're going to go and click on classwork. You have a couple of tasks. First off, I want you to scroll down to figurative language assignment. You have a mixed figurative language assignment. It is a Google Doc this time. So you're going to click on it, and what you're going to do is you're going to read this very short story. And after you get done reading the short story, you're going to notice that some words are in bold. You're going to match the phrases that are in bold to the type of figurative language. So, if you scroll down to the bottom, we have each figurative language will be used. Some will be used more than once. So, for example, motor coughed and roared to life. Is that a simile, a metaphor, personification, or hyperbole? Whatever you decide, you put the letter on this line. Like I said, these will be used at least once, some of them more than once, okay? If you're still struggling, remember I have posted the notes, figurative language PowerPoints, and you can look through those very quickly. And if you want a short version, personification is when you give something that is not alive human characteristics, like the computer yelled at me when I turned it on. A computer doesn't have a mouth, so it can't yell. Simile is when you compare two things using like or as. Metaphor, it compares two things without using the words like or as. Hyperbole is an exaggeration. Okay? Obviously, my notes are a bit more detailed. That was just a refresher. After you get done with the figurative language assignment, you're going to scroll up to Number the Stars chapter. Yesterday was the last chapter, but the afterword gives some pretty amazing information. It is actually my favorite part because the author takes the time to let you know what is real. So what are straight up facts, and then what she used to create the story. Once again, you can read it on your own, or you can listen to my wonderful Beyonce voice for one last time read to you out loud. I don't care what you do, just read the afterword. It is super important and full of information. After you do that, you will have afterward questions. And this one is on Google Form, so you're going to make sure you click on the Google Form. Once again, everyone repeat with me. Click on the Google Form. Okay? You're going to click on the Google Form, and then you have several questions that are true and false. And then you are going to have 3 that are short answer. This assignment is worth 12 points. Okay? After you do those 3 tasks, then, my dear children of the corn, you are done for the day. Okay? If you have any questions, please email me. I am having some internet issues. It glitches in and out. So I try to get back to you as soon as possible. I miss you all, my darling children. Please use your time wisely and take the opportunity to use some of those work days to get caught up. I love you all, and I will see you next week. I hope you enjoy your Taco Tuesday and Cinco de Mayo.